Hi guys, picked this up for 99p in a charity shop today. Already done the charity shop video. I said I'd put it together anyway because I can't see how that is that. This bit's got extra slots on the wing that one doesn't have. So it must go together in a slightly different way. So that'll make it a bit more of a challenge. When I first saw it in the charity shop, I thought it was a helicopter, but it's not. It's the aeroplane, the biplane. Right, a little aviation quiz. All right, well, we won't worry about that. A little bit of sandpaper. Right. One. Let's just compare. Yeah, that looks the same. That looks the same. So the plans match that, but I don't think they match the picture. Really ought to be doing it on a table where we've got a bit more space, but we'll go for it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.